नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण क्लास 6 जनरल सायन्स यावरील चॅप्टर नंबर 2 द लिव्हिंग वर्ड्स यावरील एक्सरसाइज पाहणार आहोत। तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, त्याआधी तुम्ही आमच्या चॅनलला नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला अवश्य सबस्क्राइब करा, जेणेकरून आमचे असेच नवनवीन व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला सर्वात आधी मिळतील। तर चला आपल्या व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करूया। आपण इयत्ता 6वी मधील सामान्य विज्ञान यामधील पाठ क्रमांक 2 सजीव द लिव्हिंग वर्ड्स म्हणजे सजीव सृष्टी यावरील स्वाध्याय पाहणार आहोत। त्यामध्ये पहिला प्रश्न दिलेला आहे क्वेश्चन 1, फिल इन द ब्लँक्स विथ द प्रॉपर वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द ब्रॅकेट। दिलेल्या पर्यायापैकी योग्य पर्याय निवडून रिकाम्या जागा भरा। तर ऑक्सिजन, डाईज, एक्सक्रीशन, कार्बन डायऑक्साइड, रिस्पॉन्सिव्हिनस, फोटोसिंथेसिस आणि स्टिम्युली। ऑक्सिजन मृत्यू, उत्सर्जन, कार्बन डायऑक्साइड चेतनाक्षमता आणि प्रकाश संश्लेषण। अशा त्यापैकी योग्य पर्याय आपल्याला भरायचा आहे। तर ए, द प्रोसेस बाय विच प्लांट मेक देअर ओन फूड्स इज कॉल्ड फोटोसिंथेसिस। म्हणजे स्वतःचे अन्न स्वतः तयार करण्याच्या वनस्पतीच्या प्रक्रियेला चेतनाक्षमता म्हणतात। नंतर आ म्हणजेच बी, टू इनहेले ऑक्सिजन अँड टू एक्झाले कार्बन डायऑक्साइड इज कॉल्ड रिस्पायरेशन्स। तर बघा, शरीरातील ऑक्सिजन वायू घेणे व कार्बन डायऑक्साइड वायू सोडणे याला श्वसन म्हणतात। द एलिमिनेशन ऑफ वेस्ट सबस्टन्स फ्रॉम द बॉडी इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्रीशन। तर बघा, शरीरातील निरुपयोगी पदार्थ बाहेर टाकण्याची क्रिया म्हणजे उत्सर्जन होय। डी, द ॲबिलिटी टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू ॲन इव्हेंट इज कॉल्ड स्टिम्युली टू रिस्पॉन्सिव्हिनस। तर बघा, स्टिम्युली म्हणजे प्रकाश संश्लेषण। टू उत्कृष्ट। नंतर वन कंप्लीटिंग देअर लाईफ स्पॅन एव्हरी लिव्हिंग थिंग डाईज। तर बघा, आयुर्मान पूर्ण झाले की प्रत्येक सजीव मृत्यू पावतो। क्वेश्चन 2, फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट। बघा, तर बघा त्यामध्ये दुसरा दिलेला आहे फाऊल, काऊ, डॉग, कॅट। तर बघा, काऊ, डॉग अँड कॅट हे अंडे नाही देत प्राणी, पण फाऊल ऑल अदर कॅन नॉट ले एग्स। क्लोरोफिल, सनलाइट, कार्बन डायऑक्साइड आणि ऑक्सिजन। तर ऑक्सिजन ऑल अदर आर कंपाउंड नेसेसरी फ्रॉम फोटोसिंथेसिस। 3, लंग्स, ब्रेन, किडनी, स्किन। बघा, किडनी अँड स्किन। तर तिच्यामधला ब्रेन। ऑल अदर आर एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन। अडुलासा, धोतरा, बिहाडा आणि हिरडा। तर धोत्रा। ऑल अदर्स आर युजफुल मेडिसिनल प्लांट। नंतर बघा, कॉकरोच, रॅट्स, लाईस आणि माईस। तर लाईस ऑल अदर डिस्ट्रॉय फूड। क्वेश्चन 3, व्हॉट हेल्प देम टू ब्रीथ। कोण कशाच्या साहाय्याने शोषण करतो? तर अ फिश, तर फिश म्हणजे मासा, तर गिल्स म्हणजे कल्ले. बी अ स्नेक, कशाच्या याने ब्रीथ करतो स्नेक? तर लंग्स म्हणजे साप, फुफ्फुसे. क्रेन कशाने ब्रीथ करतो? तर लंग्स एडेड विथ इयर सॅक्स म्हणजे फुफ्फुसाने, कर्कोच्या फुफ्फुसाने. नंतर ॲन अर्थवॉर्म म्हणजेच गांडूळ, स्किन त्वचा. मॅन म्हणजेच मानव, फुफ्फुसे, डायफ्रॅम हेल्प्स इन ब्रीदिंग. नंतर अ बनियान ट्री म्हणजे वडाचे झाड, तर टिनी पोर्स ऑन द लीव्स, पानावरील छिद्रातून. जी अ कॅटरपिलर, तर अळी, स्पायरकल्स म्हणजे श्वसन छिद्रे. क्वेश्चन 4, राईट द यूज ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ॲनिमल्स अँड प्लांट. प्राणी आणि वनस्पतीचे उपयोग लिहा. तर ॲनिमल पहिला आहे हनी बीज म्हणजे मधमाशी. नंतर शार्क मासा, शार्क. ॲक शीप मेंढी. अर्थवॉर्म्स गांडूळ. डॉग्स कुत्रा. व्हाईल्स म्हणजे शिंपले. हॉर्स म्हणजे घोडा आणि माईस म्हणजे उंदीर. इतके तीनचे आपल्याला उपयोग लिहायचे आहेत. तर त्यामध्ये पहिला आहे प्लांट. जिंजर म्हणजे अद्रक, आले. मँगो म्हणजे आंबा. इक्वॅलेपटस म्हणजे निलगिरी. बबूल म्हणजे बांबूळ. टिक म्हणजे साग. स्पिनॅच म्हणजे पालक. एलोवेरा म्हणजे कोरफड. टर्मरिक म्हणजे हळद. होलोबिसल म्हणजे तुळसी. कानंजा म्हणजे करंज. मोह. मलबरी म्हणजे तुत्ती. ग्रेपी वाईन म्हणजे द्राक्ष. ग्रेप वाईन. तर बघा पहिले ॲनिमल्सचे पाहू आपण. त्यामध्ये हनी बीज कलेक्टर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर्स अँड टू कन्वर्ट इट इंटू हनी. हनी इज स्टोरेड इन bee wax and honey are the useful product for us. Honey can be used to confectionery and as medicine. Honey bees help in pollination of the plant and these are helpful from farmers or orchard owners. नंतर Shark's liver oil is obtained from sharks. Shark's meat is also used as food. Shark fins are in great demand for foreign countries as it is considered as a delicacy. Skin of shark is used for making some items. Shark meat is also used in cattle and poultry feed. Eggs are mainly used as the beast of burden and a means of transport in hilly and snow-cold region. The Nepal and Tibet eggs are used to ploughing the fields. Egg meat is consumed in some remote areas. Egg milk and the cheese known as churrupi as well as egg butter are widely used in Tibet. Egg dung is used as fuel. Sheep provide with the wool. At some place sheep meat is used as food. Sheep milk is used by the shepherd community. From the extra or pellets of sheep are good quality fertilizer is obtained. Since sheep have the habit of grazing. They are used for clearing the vegetation. नंतर बघा अर्थवर्म्स म्हणजे गांडूळ. अर्थवर्म wriggle through the soil. They help in decomposition of dead and decaying remains of animals and plants. They loosen the soil. With the help of earthworm, vermicomposting of the degradable wastes is also done. Due to earthworms, soil becomes fertile. Therefore, they are considered as friends and farmers. नंतर 6 dogs. Dogs is a loyal and faithful animals and considered as the best friend of man. Dogs guard the house and properties of this owner. Synapse dogs are trained to attract narcotics and explosives. Due to this, they are the team of police and army. Dogs play with children and entertain them. Dogs are also used from medical research. Beagles. The beagle is the soft bodies animals inside the two shells. These cells are made of the calcium carbonate. The cells have multiple use. Decorative articles are made from these. The crushed shells are also used in building material. The medicinal preposition. The cells are used. The soft animal inside the snail is considered as decay. Pulse are cultured inside the cell is beehive called pearl oyster. 8. Horse. Horse is used as a means of transport since olden days. They also draw carts and carriage. In army and police, 2 horses are used. Racing of horse is also a sport. Mice. Mice are more harmful than being useful. They destroy the food and also causes transmission of disease like plague. However, they are used in biology labs as the experiment animals. नंतर प्लांट्स म्हणजे वनस्पती. जिंजर म्हणजेच अद्रक आले. जिंजर इज यूज्ड इन व्हेरियस डिसीज. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड as a popular medicine. Ginger extract is a ready-made for all kinds of HA and pains. Dried ginger powder is a great medicinal value as a home ready-made. Ginger and scent of safely used against headache, nausea and acidity. Second, mango. Mango is considered as the king of fruit. Mangoes ripen during summer season. They contain very high level of vitamin A and fructose sugar. Various products are prepared from mango such as mango juice, pulp, ice cream, squash, pickles, etc. Leaves of mango trees are considered to be sacred by Hindus. They are used a religious event. Eucalyptus म्हणजे their oil obtained from leaves from the tree have medicinal value. Even the dry leaves are of some use. The eucalyptus oil is ready made for cold and fever. It is also used as an astringent. It ward of the foul smell. The bark of the eucalyptus tree is also used. Its stem is used for making paper. Bubble. The leaves and legumes of a bubble tree are used as cattle feed. Delicately twigs of this tree are used for cleaning teeth. Due to thorny natures, the branches of bubble and used for making compound and includes the gum oozing out from the barks of the tree is the great demand. The wood of bubble is very tough and hence used in shipbuilding. Teak wood is used for making furniture. Teak is therefore is great demand. Wood from teak is used in house building for making doors and windows. To supply this demand, the Indian Forest Department cultivates teak trees on a large. Spinach is very popular green leaf vegetable. It contains many vitamins and minerals and rich on iron. Consuming spinach regularly keeps us in good health. Spinach is said to enhance health of heart and it also boosts the memory. It is also good made to relieve constipation. Aloe vera is a medicinal plant. The sap and juice of aloe vera is very effective against different skin infection, cuts, bruises, burns and wounds. Consuming aloe vera juice regularly gives relief digestive complaints. Aloe vera is also used in treatment from diabetes and cancer. The gel of aloe vera is used in cosmetic product. Turmeric is regularly used in daily cooking. It has many medicinal properties. Turmeric is effective in wound healing as it has antiseptic properties. It is used also in germicidal. It is used in cosmetic. Cough and cold can be effectively cured by consuming milk with turmeric powder in it. Hollow basil, Tudas, holy basil in a medicinal herb. In the Hindu region, holy basil is considered to be very auspicious juice obtained from leaves. The basil plant cures many diseases. Basil plant keeps the insect away. In olden days, every courtyard used to have the basil plant. The dried stem of basil yields beads which are used by santas. In Ayurveda, many medicines are prepared from basil. In Thailand, basil is used in cooking from a particular flavor. From Karapur, Tulas varieties of basil, the oil is extracted. Karanj from the trees, fruits, leaves, roots, bark, seeds and twigs are karanj oil is extracted. Ayurvedic medicines which are effective on a variety of diseases are obtained from karanj tree and seeds of karanj. Karanj is also used for a manufacturing of biodiesel. Karanj are also used as fuel food. Moha. The trees of moha are seen in the forest areas. From the seeds and flowers of moha tree, medicines and other extracts are obtained. The oil from moha trees is effective in headache, skin infection and rheumatism. In Gadchiroli district of Maharashtra, jam is prepared from the flower of moho tree. Among tribal folk, wine made from moho is very popular. Question 5. Write the answer to the following questions in your own words. खालील प्रश्नांची उत्तरे तुमच्या शब्दात लिहा. What are the difference between plant and animals? वनस्पती आणि प्राणी यातील फरक स्पष्ट करा. Plants Plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Hence, they are called heterotrophs. Second, plants show some movement, but they cannot change their place on their own. The plant show growth till they are alive. The growth does not stop in between. Plants have chlorophyll and they can perform photosynthesis. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They obtain food from plant or other animal, hence they are called heterotrophs. Animals show various movements and change their place on their own will. Animals show growth only till a specific period. Animals do not have chlorophyll. This they cannot perform photosynthesis. Question 2. Write what are the similarities between plant and animals. वनस्पती आणि प्राणी यातील साम्य स्पष्ट करा. तर बघा, animals, plants and animals are both living things. Most of the characteristics of living things are seen in both of them. Growth, respiration, excretion, responsiveness and stimuli and reproduction are the common characteristics in both of them. The plant body is also made cells just like that of the animal bodies. These both have cellular structure. Animals and plants both need water and nutrients from survival. 3. In what ways are plants and animals useful to us, or how is the plant kingdom useful to us? प्रश्न 3. वनस्पती सृष्टी आपल्यासाठी कशी उपयोगी आहे? तर बघा, आन्सर, we use plant material in most of your daily routine. Plant provide us with food in the form of grains, fruit, vegetable, etc. Some plant like Vasaka, Hilda, Bihda, Behada, asparagus are of medicinal importance, which we use as home remedies for mineral illness. Some plants are used for industrial purpose. Plants provide with timber and wood, which are used in making furniture and houses. Plants like cotton and jute powder as with fiber. In these ways, all the basic needs of man, that is food, shelter and clothing, are fulfilled by plants. Question 4. How is the animal kingdom useful to us? प्राणीसृष्टी आपल्यासाठी कशी उपयोगी आहे? तर बघा, domesticated animals are useful to us in many ways. Animals provide us with food in the form of milk, meat, eggs, etc. The occupation like poultry, dairy, fishery are dependent on animals. Animals like oxen, horse and camel are used to transportations earth from make in decomposition of waste of make the soil fertile. It is this a friend of the farmer. Some insects like honey bees, lac insects, silk, moth are useful to mankind. 5. What makes living things different from non-living things? सजीव हे निर्जीवापेक्षा वेगळेच का आहेत? तर बघा, आन्सर, in living things we can see growth, feeding, respiration, excretion, expansiveness and stimuli, movement and reproductions. Living beings also show death. All such characteristics are not seen in non-living things. This marks the difference between living and non-living things. 6. What are the peculiarities of the movement of these living things? बघा, यादीमध्ये दिलेल्या सजीवांच्या हालचालीचे विशिष्ट कोणकोणती आहेत? तर लिव्हिंग थिंग स्नेक, टॉर्टॉइज, कांगारू, एगलेस, नंतर काय आपला हा चामिलिनियस, फ्रॉग्स, डॉल्फिन्स, ॲन्ड्स, रॅटल स्नेक. साप, कासव, कांगारू, गरुड, सरडा, बेंडूक, गुलमोहर, रताळ्याचा वेल, डॉल्फिन, मुंगी, ग्लॉसबरी, अर्थवर्म्स, गुलमोहर, स्वीट पोटॅटो, क्रीपर, नंतर रॅटल स्लॅप, नागतोळा आणि गांडूळ. तर बघा स्नेक डू नॉट हॅव लेग. दे क्रीप ऑन द ग्राउंड बाय कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन अँड रिलॅक्सेशन ऑफ देअर बॉडी मसल. दे मूव्ह फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनादर. नंतर आहे टॉर्टॉइज हॅव क्लॉज ऑन देअर लिम्स. दे creep on ground with a very slow speed. They cannot move fast as their cells is very bulky and heavy, which makes their movement clumsy and slow. Kangaroo, the two powerful hind limbs and a supporting tail makes kangaroo jumps from one place to another. It can move faster due to this jumping habit. Eagles can fly high in the sky. The wings of eagles are strong and powerful. The trapping body is highly adapted from flight. Chameleons, all the four limbs of chameleons, they are comparatively shorter and weak. Their body is bulky, therefore the creep with the four legs, and the movement is also supported by their tail and claws. Frogs are seen in the vicinity of water. When in water, they swim the help of hind limbs. There is also the web membrane between the digits of the limbs. When on land, they jump with the help of two hind limbs. These are muscular and powerful. The front two forelimbs, they help in balancing during movements. Dolphin is an inhabitant of seas. It can efficiently swim with the help of flippers and streamlined bodies. Since it is mammals, it cannot breathe in the water, and this for very inhalation and exhalation it rises to the surface to water. It looks like as if it is trying to jump out. One can easily notice a jumping dolphin when the sea is calm. Rattlesnake glide at a great speed though the sand. Its movements are popularly known as slide. Windings, the snakes move on its sides when it is gliding further. Ants begin an insect has 6 legs and can walk fast in these 6 legs. Glossary fly in the sky with the help of 2 pairs of wings. Moreover, they have 3 pairs of walking legs, out of which the third and last pair is very strong. The first 2 pairs of legs helps in balancing the body, while the strong third pair help to jump. Glossary can even jump a distance of 1 meter due to its modified and strong legs. Earthworm have cuticle over the body. There are small structure called setae. With a help of setae, cuticle and muscle, earthworms can wriggle through the soil. Gulmohar is large tree. It cannot change its place. Throughout the day, its leaflets are spread out in horizontal fashion, but at the sunset they drop on and close towards the stimulus of sunlight, and leaflets show the responsiveness. Sweet potato creeper needs supported since the stem is very delicate. It tries to find some support and then goes on spreading. If there is no supported, the sweet potato creeper is seen spreading on the ground. As soon as there is many supported, it tries to bend towards it. Question 7. Write in details about how the plant and animals found in your surrounding prove useful or harmful. सभोवताली आढळणाऱ्या विविध वनस्पती व प्राणी उपयुक्त आणि अपायकारक कसे आहेत याविषयी सविस्तर माहिती लिहा. तर आन्सर, देअर आर मेनी प्लांट्स अँड ॲनिमल्स in your surroundings. Some of them are useful to us, therefore you domesticated and take care of such animals. Some of them are harmful. We try to regulate their population by keeping control. Similarly, the useful plants are cultivated and taken care of, but the harmful plants are eradicated from your vicinity. We remove the Pantherium and weeds from the garden. Useful animals for farming and transport. We need oxen, horse, eggs, camels of milk. We keep cows and buffaloes. We obtain meat from fowl and goats. Pets such as dog and cats are of useful animals. Harmful animals, mosquitoes, fleas, lice, and similar such insects spread the disease. Some insects spread skin infection. Rats and mice destroy your food. Poisonous animals like snakes and scorpions can kill a person. Wild animals like leopards can kill your pets. Domestic animals or even human beings, if they enter the human settlements, elephants and monkeys from nearby forested areas can cause damage the crop and fruit trees. Useful plant. The food which you consume daily is obtained from plants. Rice, dal, chapatis, bread, fruit and vegetables all are obtained from plant. Agriculture and horticulture are entirely dependent on plant. Harmful plant. Pods of nettle, coccosia leaves causes itching. Plant like oleander and lantana have very strong repelling odor. The dhotra plant is poisonous. Some weeds destroy farmland. Some alga as show uncontrolled growth in the water bodies and may destroy it completely. Question 6. Use your brain power. तर what difference do you see in the growth of trees like the mangoes, banyan and people? Add that the bamboo, coconut and toddy plant. तर टेक्स्टबुक पेज 10 नंबरवर आहे. याचं उत्तर आहे ड्युरिंग ग्रोथ द मँगो, बनियान अँड पीपल मेनी ब्रांचेस सब ब्रांचेस आर गिवन आउट. This increase their canopy. Bamboos, coconuts and toddy plants do not develop branches. They grow tall without branching. Question 2 आहे त्यामध्ये बघा पुस्तकातले हे प्रश्न तुम्ही लिहून घ्यायचे. मी तुम्हाला दाखवते अशा प्रकारे आहे ते. नंतर तिच्यामधलाच आहे यूज युअर ब्रेन पॉवर. अशा प्रकारे. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, व्हिडिओ कसा वाटला नक्की कमेंट करून कळवा. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायचे विसरू नका, जेणेकरून आपले असेच नवनवीन व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला सर्वात आधी मिळतील. भेटूया पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत धन्यवाद.